Hey there, Alex with AVADirect. Today we take a look at a custom gaming PC that looks and sounds great. This system is equipped with top-of-the-line parts in all aspects for a gaming PC. The i9-9900K, RTX 2080 Ti, and 32GB of high-speed RAM speak for themselves in the gaming range. You aren't going to find a better trio for 2K or 4K gaming. This customer's order also contains an Asus ROG G-Sync monitor to best capitalize on that power. Additionally, they opted for better sound quality by choosing a Creative Sound Blaster X AE5 sound card. Most modern motherboards have good sound quality, but they really can't compete with what a sound card is capable of. Speaking of cable management, the interior cables are sleeved in white to match the sleek case, and perfectly routed through the back end. There are RGB components throughout for maximum personalization, which as always is one of our top priorities, helping to make your custom computer truly yours. If you'd like to have the PC in this video, or need help building one that's right for you, please visit the link in this description. You can choose from one of our pre-built gaming or workstation systems, or use our simple configurator to design one to meet your unique needs. Click thumbs up and subscribe if you liked this video, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for even more, @AVADirect.